Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can create data entry form in MS Excel. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So working on Excel, most of the time you need to create a data entry form so that you can have attractive and easy way to enter data. So for this purpose, we will select some columns from this random sheet so you can understand the working. Simply I have this table for data entry. So you need to go to File, Options, then Customize ribbon, this one, then create a new tab, this one, click on All Commands, this will extract the forms, search here form, we are adding form in this tab, so this is our form. Click on it and then add this form in new tab, this one, then press OK. That's all with this form. Now you need to just select the columns which you want to create a form. Then this is new tab created. Click on new tab. This is a form which we have already created. Click on this form. Some text. Click OK. So this is our data entry form. Suppose we are entering data zone north, first name John Carter. So click on new. As you are observing that data entry have been done successfully. This is attractive and error-free. Need not to jump into cells. Again, we are entering some other data. This time central. First name Jim. Carry. Hit enter. So in this way, you can enter data very easily with this form. Thanks guys for watching and learning.